This is the driveline for the Magix. Basically, what we're going to show you here is generally how it works without actually cracking it open. If there is an issue with one of these, we prefer that you just take it off the chair, send it back to us. We'll either send you out a replacement piece for it, or we'll repair it and send it back to you. The driveline itself is actually flexible. So this is one of the things that's very unique about the Magix wheelchair, and this is also what allows it to crawl up and down curbs and gives it so much traction, because this is what actually keeps the wheels on the ground. So the way that it works is you go from your motor into your transaxle. Your transaxle feeds into the driveline here on this side, and then the driveline itself for the other two spindles has got a carbon fiber timing belt that is used for vehicles. So this thing is designed to run at 9 or 10,000 RPM. We have never had one of these stretch, break, or fail. And that goes for the belts, the driveline, and the transaxle. So without getting into how this works or the design of it, if there is an issue, then please contact us, send it back to us, and we will take care of that for you.